Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to drill a well. Understanding the total investment involves considering several key factors. These include the required depth of the well, the specific type of soil or rock encountered, and the drilling method employed. Additionally, your geographical location and any local regulatory requirements will significantly influence the overall expense. We'll break down each of these components to give you a clear picture. The depth of your well is a primary cost driver. Deeper wells require more time, labor, and materials. For instance, a well drilled to 200 feet will generally cost less than one drilled to 500 feet. Furthermore, the geological makeup of your property, whether it's soft soil, clay, or hard rock, directly impacts drilling difficulty and equipment potentially adding thousands of dollars to the project. Equipment and labor are substantial components of the total cost. The type of drilling rig, from smaller auger rigs to larger rotary rigs, varies in expense. Skilled operators and their crews are essential, and their wages contribute significantly. Beyond drilling, you'll also factor in costs for well casing, pump installation, and initial water testing, which can add several $1,000s to the project's final price. Finally, don't forget about permits and additional fees. Local and state regulations often require specific permits before drilling can commence, each with its own fee. Furthermore, you might consider water treatment or filtration systems, which are separate but often necessary investments. Always obtain at least 3 detailed quotes from experienced, licensed contractors to ensure you receive a comprehensive and fair estimate for your well drilling project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.